Hello, my name is Juan Camilo Jaramillo, and today I am going to explain you how I made my trigonometric functions graph. So basically, I use various trigonometric functions and graph them, and we will see the different shapes that we get. Okay, so what you can see here is my graph of sine. So basically the formula that I use for sine, and most of the trigonometric functions is that I found the sine, for example, in this one, taking in count the x-axis. So, for example, it was 12 over pi. I found sine of 12 over pi, and that will be y, so I graph in that way. Now here you can see my graph of cosine that, as you can see, is very similar to the one of sine, but as I saw, it started a little bit more to the right, so like the central point started in the y-interception. Also, as we can appreciate in this one and in the previous one, well, it's supposed that these lines, these waves that you can see, never end, and are always going on the x-axis to the left and to the right. Now what you can see here is the graph of tangent that, as you can see, is different from the other graphs. But in this case, I also want to say that it is supposed to be infinite in the x-axis. So, you can see that there's an ending of the figures, but I did that because I have not enough space to make it. Because it's obviously going to the infinite. Now you can see here the second, that as you can see, is a very interesting form, because if we analyze it, it's like the opposite to the sine as well. There are waves that go to the infinite in the y-axis, but also there are multiple semicircles, we could say, and they are placed where the like where the waves of the sine are placed too. Now what you can see here is the cosecant, and as we already analyzed it, its relation with the cosine. Now, as the secant is related to the sine, the cosecant is related to the cosine, and it is also related to the secant in the way that I already explained with the sine and cosine. So it's very interesting to see the relations between all these trigonometric functions. Now what you can see here is the tangent that the cotangent, and as we can see, it is the opposite to the tangent. And so it's very it has the same figure, but like not in the same position, and also it never ends in the y-axis. It is infinite in that way. I hope you learned and that you found interesting some things that I explained in my video, and I hope you understand all the topics and had fun learning. Thanks.